Hello everyone, Jobanda here. I'm back from the vacation and I'm getting to work because I've been longing to solve more puzzles like door locks. Alright, in today's video I want to show you the latest lock from the FAB, and this is the FAB 3-star profile. Generally it is a pin tumbler with 6 pins without any additional locking mechanisms, but there is something about this lock that sets it apart from the rest of the pin tumblers. That is the RCB pin. The anti-bumping system used by FAB company. We'll get to looking at the guts in a moment, and then I will explain exactly what the system is and how it works. It is worth taking a look at the keyway because it's a new design and it is definitely restrictive. You have to learn how to navigate the peak in it, and combined with the security pins, whole challenge becomes a bit more difficult than you might expect. That's how it looks like. Alright, so let's see the guts. Okay, as you can see, there's nothing unusual. Yeah, the key pins, driver pins. Here we have the core. Nothing special. New keyway, but no overmilling or something like that. You have the housing, just 6 chambers as well, nothing special, but as you can see, the key pins are heavily rounded, so if you want to use a pick with a rounded tip, count on the fact that you'll have to hard time keeping it on top of the key pin. I recommend a pick with a flat tip. Driver pins are tapered. We have 2 spools on chamber 2 and 3, just spools, but pins in number 1, 4 and 5 are tapered. And that means you have to pick these pins several times. Now I will move on to the most important part of this lock. This is the RBC pin. RBC pin look like it is a barrel, but this pin has a larger diameter but than the chamber in this core, so this driver pin will stay almost completely in each chamber in the housing. Opening these locks using the bump key method is natural about the hitting the pins with the key while turning the core, which can open the lock. FAB use this solution in the last pin of this of each lock, where the kinetic energy that acts on the pins is the smallest and the least effective. Also, this type of security is used at the maximum cutting, where the earlier pins are set relatively low to the latest one. Alright, so how to pick this lock? I recommend to setting the RBC pin at first. If you will pick this lock in the US setting, then you will have pins on the top, and you will be lifting the pins, and due to the design of the RCP pin will not have any feedback, because you are only lifting the key pin, and only at the very end you will touch the RCB pin driver, and then you will hear the louder click, and then core will rotate slightly. If you want to pick this lock in the US setting as it was designed, then also start with the RBC pin, and it in this position it's resting directly on the driver pin, and you will feel and hear a click along with the slight rotation of the core. Then any of the other pins will bind. Okay. Because of the weather aggressive beating, you will see that during picking quite often I will do an overset on pin number 3. When I hear a click, I slightly let go of the tension, and pin number 3 returns to the neutral position. I know that according to the binding order, pin number 1 will start to bind. This is a sign that the RCB pin is set. Alright. I think that will be all. Let's pick this lock. Alright, FAB 3-star profile is ready for picking, so let's pick this lock. Clockwise tension, moderate, and I will start from the pin number 6. Alright, pin number 6 is good. So let's try. Alright, 3 is good. Now, number 1 is binding. Was dropped and 1 was dropped, but now it's okay again. Number 4 and number 5. Number 4 and number 5 again, and number 2. 3 is good. 4, 5, and we have an open. Alright, so as you can see, most of these pins can be forced. Tolerances are pretty good, but not that good. Alright, so let's gut this lock. We have some C-clip. Okay. So here we have some key pins. Alright. Now drivers. Our famous RCB pin. Alright. Alright, my friends, we have it. FAB 3-star profile, picket and Got it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave in comment. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.